It's Vlog's Learning Lab.
Hello kids! In this video, we're going to do something super fun, counting objects. We'll count toys, fruits, animals, and more. Before we start the quiz, let me show you an example of how to count objects. Counting works when we count each object one at a time. Look at these bananas. Let's point to each of them with our fingers while we say the numbers together. 1, 2, 3. Great job! Now we know how to count. Let's start the quiz. Say your answers out loud and have lots of fun. Let's count. How many cows are here? That's right. It's 2. 1, 2. 2 cows. How many cars are there? You got it. It's 3 cars. 1, 2, 3. 3 cars. How many birds do you see? 1. That's right, 1 bird. How many ice cream cups are there? The answer is 4. 4 ice cream cups. How many stars are there? It's 5 stars. How many butterflies are flying? 3. 3 butterflies. How many fish are swimming? It's 5. 5 fish. How many bees are there? It's 3 bees. How many rainbows are there? 2 rainbows. How many balloons are there? It's 4 balloons. How many flowers are there? 6 flowers. How many ducks are swimming? 7 ducks. How many trains are there? 8. 8 trains. How many apples do you see? 9 apples. How many donuts are there? 10. 10 donuts. How many pencils are there? 6 pencils. How many balls are there? 8. 8 balls. How many hearts are there? 7. 7 hearts. How many plants are there? 9. 9 plants. How many party hats are there? Ten. 10 party hats. Great job, everyone! You did amazing today. Share this video with your friends, hit the like button, subscribe to InchBlocks Learning Lab, and ring the notification bell so you never miss the next video. Thanks for watching.